The key to cultivating healthy plants is having a strong root system to nourish the plants as they grow. Root trainers are specially designed to promote faster, stronger root growth for all seeds and cuttings, whether you're growing vegetables, flowers, bushes, or trees. The unique air pruning system and the use of separate grooved cells for each plant provides a higher percentage of germination and eradicates the risk of root balling and pot-bound plants, making root trainers a must-have for both professional growers and home gardeners. After assembling the books of cells, lightly dampen them before filling with good multi-purpose compost, ensuring all cells are fully filled. Brush off any excess soil so that the tops of the cells are exposed, and add a little water using a watering can with a rose before planting. The Rapid Root Trainer has shallow cells designed especially for salads, herbs and bedding plants, like busy lizzies and other flowers. The cells in the Deep Root Trainer are better suited to deeper rooted plants, ideal for sweet peas, fruits and vegetables like these French beans. For large seeds like these, use one cell per seed and push down to the correct depth. Then brush compost over to cover the seeds and put the propagating lid in place. The lid should be removed after the first few days once the seedlings begin to emerge. When needed, water the seedlings either by standing the root trainer in the half-filled lid for a few minutes, or gently from above using a rose or atomizer. As the seedlings grow, the first roots are guided by the ribbed cell walls, which stimulate the roots to race directly downwards towards the drainage hole. When the root is exposed to the air, it stops growing, naturally causing masses of side roots to develop higher in the cell. This results in a super root system, all set to feed a perfect plant. In ordinary pots and seed trays, the roots grow out in all directions and continue growing after they have reached the edge of their container, forming tangled knot balls which have to be teased out before planting. This causes root shock, damaging the plant and arresting its growth. With root trainers, the root progress can be easily seen by gently opening the book. The plug grows in a densely fibrous but unbound way, so when it comes to planting out, there's no need to tease out the roots and no root shock. Just place the plug in the planting hole, cover the top with soil and it's ready to go, resulting in a faster growing, stronger, healthier plant. Root trainers make growing plants easy and provide the best possible start for all your seeds, cuttings and plugs. And they can be reused, again and again and again, cutting the cost of planting year after year. Root trainers, another better design from Haxnix.